CANAJAN. I'm here with Lorephil from CANAJAN Inc. Thank you for meeting me today, Lorephil. It was a little bit of an adventure finding each other this morning.
Yes.
But we found each other in this big
But the good
city.
lesson in here is we never give up, right?
That's right. Persistence.
We never give up. It's worth it.
It is worth it. It's absolutely worth it. Can you tell me, what do you do? What is CANAJAN Inc?
So my name is Lorephil. I'm the owner of CANAJAN Inc. What we do residential and commercial cleaning services. So what sets me apart in the competition is we clean up everything except for crime scene. I don't do that. So we do residential, commercial, industrial, post-construction, move in, move out, and then I just added services which is appliance repair.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So we're servicing whole Edmonton areas and surrounding, like Sherwood Park, Leduc, Belmont. So that's what that's how we cover.
Oh, I see you have such passion and energy for what you do, and I love that about people. Can you tell me what you're most proud of when you think about your business, the business that you created?
I am very proud of because we work as a team, so I cannot do it just by myself. So I attracted to people who wants to live my dream come true. So because of this, because of my team, I cannot build my empire. It's not only my success, but my whole team, my family. So they're all helping me and supporting me in my business. That's I'm very proud of.
If I was to talk to one of your clients or customers that you serve, what would they tell me they love the most about what you do?
They always telling me that me and my employees are the same. So I really totally believe that if you build your culture same as you, it will reflect on what we do. So I only hire people who are very passionate on cleaning. So that is my first question. Do you really like cleaning? Because money is just right there. So if you don't like what you're doing, then it will not see the result.
Then don't do it.
We treat every homes as our homes. So that is our main mission, because that's part of my core value, sense of ownership, and I want you to feel safe. And if you hire us, so that is my main core values in my company, and it reflects now.
And it's like, so if the people who watch this video, if they do their diligence and they check you out on social media, Google, all that stuff, they'll see the quality of the work. They'll see the reviews. You have worked very hard to get to where you are right now, and just your effort and your passion for what you do, it shines right through. And I want to say I really appreciate you, especially the work that you do for our aging population. I really admire that.
Oh yeah, I'm very passionate to seniors because when my dad passed away, like at that time I'm too busy in my life and I don't have time to talk to him. So after he passed away, I said every time I saw a seniors like my dad, I have to talk to them. What are they passionate about? And then at the time that I get connected, that my father is still there with me, right? So that's why I'm helping seniors. Sometimes they're asking for, do you want to have extra time? I said, okay, but only for you, okay? Because I have to hire people just to talk to them, because sometimes they feel alone. And as a house cleaners, we're not just a house cleaners, we are your like escaping place that where you can talk to, right? So that is part of my secret ingredients, why I get really connected with my clients.
I love that. I love that. Thank you. Thank you for your time.